Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvet Locks coming back to you again, okay? Listen, you guys, you've gotten me working hard, okay? Working hard because I've been trying to keep up with you and the orders that I've been getting regarding this blessing right here, all right? And not knowing that what I had already posted on my eBay store finished, I didn't keep on top of it. So when I got back from my distributor getting ready to ship out all of your orders, I was wondering why it was so quiet, and you know what was quiet in the neighborhood. Like everybody was outside enjoying the sun, which is good too. But it wasn't until I checked this morning that I realized you're out of inventory, chick. You are out of inventory. So good thing I went to my distributor yesterday and I reposted up a whole new inventory on this Flat and Firm Belly Detox. So there's more, okay? There's more in the store, so go shopping, okay? Get your bottle, because a lot of you have been ordering 2 bottles at a time, and girl, fellas, y'all been really hitting that store hard, and I love it. Thank you so much for your patronism. Thank you so much for your support and believing in this product and believing in my word. Now, I tried it for the very first time last night. Okay, this is a nighttime tonic, and I tried it for the very first time last night, because normally I do it in the mornings, okay? And I think I'm going to continue doing it in the mornings, all right? Because like I told you, this stuff starts working within 4 hours of you taking it. 4 hours. And at some point in time when I was sleep, yeah. Sleep. I mean, dead sleep. Something was taking place and I didn't have a conscious mind of it. But I tell you like this, if you are good with these things at night, more power to you, okay? More power to you. But for me, I'm going to continue taking it during the day so I can keep a mental consciousness. That's the word right there. Consciousness. Oh, when it's time to go to the bathroom, all right? Because when you sleep, you are maybe in fairy tale land, and you may even think that you are in the bathroom and not realize it. So, yeah, that's the situation. But listen, it still works about the same amount of time. After you take it, within 4 hours, it starts bubbling. It starts breaking down the food particles in your intestines, in your colon, and before you know it, you're going. You gotta go. You gotta go. And you better pray nobody's in that bathroom, because you're gonna have to go. All right? But this stuff is powerful. It's flying off the shelves. It's flying off the shelves. And even when I went to my distributor yesterday, they had a limited amount. But I'm gonna keep knocking on their doors, because this stuff is really good, and you guys gotta get a bottle to know what it does and see what it does for you and on your weight loss journey. Now, I've been getting questions regarding it. And some people have been asking me if they can take more than 4 tablespoons of this. Well, the bottle says 2 to 4 tablespoons. And for me personally, I would go by what's recommended, because I guess it's based on the dosage, and, you know, without putting too much strain on your colon and your intestinal tract right there, it's suggested. So if you feel as though it's not working out for you the way you would like it to, start off with the apple cider vinegar concoction, and then do that throughout the day. And at nighttime, when you take this, you take it. I'm telling you, that apple cider vinegar is going to help you get it to start processing food properly, so this way you're able to eliminate the waste. I do not recommend that you take this more than 4 tablespoons per day. Per day, not twice a day, okay? Because I've been getting those questions too. I've also noticed a comment that somebody made that they drank this 16-ounce bottle within 3 days.
Honey,
Honey. Honey.
Don't do that. Don't do that.
Because you're going to be a hot, messy mess. And you don't want to, like I said, you don't want to put a strain on your colon. You don't want to put a strain on your intestines. You don't want to put a strain on your body. Because it works for a reason. It works. But you don't want it to overly put a strain on your organs and what it's supposed to do. So let it do it naturally. Break it down. If you feel as though it's not working, continue taking the 4 tablespoons. You're probably backed up really bad. If it doesn't work on you, your body needs detoxing really bad. Continue taking it because it works. It's going to break it down. Also, be mindful of your foods that you're eating. If you're on a weight loss journey, eat like you are on a weight loss journey. Eliminate the saturated foods, the trans fat foods. Eliminate the sugary foods. Stop putting sugar in your juices, your drinks, your teas, as well as your sodium. Be careful of your salt intake. Be careful of the foods that you are eating. If you're trying to lose the weight, try to eliminate all of the white stuff. All of the white stuff for now, okay? Or limit it. Limit it. Do not do too much of the white stuff. Eliminate the white breads. Eliminate mostly all of the white breads. Eliminate your rice, your white rice. Substitute it, okay? Instead of your white breads, substitute it with your whole wheat breads. Instead of your white rice, substitute it with brown rice or quinoa. Yeah, those types of rices. Same thing with your potatoes. Now, I'm not saying you can't have white potato. I love me some white potatoes. But when you're on a weight loss journey, try to not have the white potatoes. Substitute it for the sweet potatoes. Because sweet potatoes are wonderful for your body. And it's also good for tightening up your underarm area. So eliminate those things, especially the pastas. Okay, a lot of you are very big pasta eaters. Eliminate the white pastas. Get your gluten-free pastas, your wheat pastas. Me not like that. I don't like that at all. It just tastes different. But if you can eliminate it, eliminate it. If you can avoid eating it, then just avoid eating it. You got to make changes. If you want to see the results, you got to make the changes. Also in your beverages, stay away from the alcohol. I know this is party time now. Summer's coming and the weather is definitely showing us some love. But eliminate the beer. Beer is not your friend on a weight loss journey. Because 1 can of beer is like eating 6 slices of bread. And you already know what bread does to you. It fluffs up your belly. It puts that weight on you. So eliminate the beer. If you want a little glass of wine, I could say, okay, on a cheap day you can have a glass of wine, but let's not drink the whole bottle. Okay? Because there's a lot of sugar in that, especially those white liquors and those brown liquors. You'll be surprised. That's a lot of sugar. Sodas. Forget the diet. Don't even try to justify the sodas. I don't care if it says diet, sugar-free. Eliminate the sodas. Go to healthier things like, what's that? Use seltzers instead. Seltzer waters. Just your regular green teas. Your lemon teas. I mean, lemon and lime tea, you would be surprised at how much you will be slimming down if you drink more of that throughout the day. Lemon teas, lemon water, lime water, green teas. Drink a lot of that in between your meals, before and after your meals, and you are definitely going to be shrinking that belly and shrinking those legs and that back fat in no time. But if you start your day off, start it off with your Bragg's apple cider vinegar concoction drink. Then, if you're taking this during the day, take this during the day, right afterwards. Alright? Then you can start your other teas and detoxes. Alright? If you're starting it at night, then you start it at night. But always start your day off with your Bragg's apple cider vinegar concoction, because that's what's going to hold you down. That's what's going to help to detox your body and get it to start boosting your metabolism, regulating your kidneys, regulating your liver, balancing your pH, you know, detoxifying your body. You will see your body going more. But this right here, it flattens your stomach, it burns your body fat, it removes the waste, and it boosts the metabolism. It does every single thing that it says it does. It's all natural herbs. It gives you energy. It boosts your body up. And yeah, just know that you need to stay close to the bathroom if you're going to take this during the daytime, because it's going to react, it's going to activate on you. If you take it at night, you go to bed, but you just better be on a better not be a heavy sleeper. That's all I can tell you right there. Don't be a heavy sleeper and take that, because you're going to wake up in a puddle. Alright, but I just wanted to come back on here to just let you guys know I got more in stock for you. Alright, and I'm also got some wonderful bitters coming your way. Oh my God, these are awesome. These are natural. These are going to do your body good. So stay tuned for that video that's coming up, where I'm going to introduce to you some other products, naturally herbal products, that's going to help and boost your body up, detoxify your body, boost up your immune system, and give it the love that it needs in between your eating healthy and exercising. These are all natural herbs, all right? That's what this channel is about. We're not doing no synthetic stuff. We're not doing no, you know, these tablets that you got to take. We're not into that, okay? We're into the herbs, the roots, the herbs, all that stuff that's going to do the same thing. Where they got their ingredients from, well, we're going to do it all natural, all right? And I'm going to introduce to you some awesome products that's coming soon, all right? So you guys enjoy the rest of your day. And like I said, I got more down below in my eBay store, so the link will be in the beginning part of the description of this video. All you got to do is click downwards, that little arrow that takes you to the description bar. Click it down and you'll see, after Hey Loyalty Squad, you'll see the link for my eBay store where you can get this product. You guys have been a blessing. You guys have been buying these up. You guys have been keeping your sister at work, okay? You've been keeping me working, all right? But I got more detoxes coming your way this week. I didn't forget you. I didn't forget you. But I've been pushing this product so beastly because of the impact, because of the way it works, the way it's been working on me. And I got a 2-pack, okay? I got a 2-pack. So my fupa is definitely starting to look good, though. Really good, though. And I got a 2-pack. So I'm ready for the other 4. Alright. So you guys, thank you for showing your sister love. Thank you for showing your auntie love. And I got more coming your way, alright? So until the next video, y'all, I will see you then. Welcome, YouTube family. This is the Velvet Locks introducing to you my new channel. And this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel, you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs, okay? So check it out. Go down below, click those links, and subscribe, as well as turn on your notification bell. And I will see you there.